Worker of the future today. Took my job. VINCENZO'S Gold Crypto Investing, where you like, subscribe, and share for a one-of-a-kind, company-made computer software trading probability-based trading alert, technical analysis, and company philosophy, as I'm your most trusted source for blockchain technology and cryptocurrency breaking news and great updates here on YouTube and in the cryptocurrency. As old Vincenzo was brought back truth up and calm and integrity back into the trading system, right? And as you can see with that little clip I just played of the working robot, my little morning rant here for everybody that begs for $20 an hour to bag groceries or to flip hamburgers and to do remedial jobs that don't necessarily, they're starter jobs, they're not career jobs, they're not livable wage jobs. They're jobs that young people usually come into the workforce to get their first job and some experience in the working atmosphere, right? So they're low-paying jobs, and then you work your way up and move your way on out of there as you graduate, say, high school or get out of college with your degree, and then you move on to a livable job after you've built some skills, acquired your degree or your certifications for a trade that you're going into, right? But those robots, as you can see out in the West Coast, or I'm in Illinois right now, and this is the first one I've ever seen actually working live. And that all it does all day is scan shelves, send the information back to the computer system, and then the people know what needs to be stocked or what's low or what needs to be pulled from the back of the shelf to the front of the shelf, right? And eventually you're going to have robots just like that, but different, and they're going to be taking the products from the back of the store and stocking the shelves, and you won't even have stock people anymore, right? No stock boys, no stock girls, no none of that, because you're pricing yourself out of the market by demanding higher and higher wages, demanding $20 an hour to flip a hamburger at McDonald's. You can see out in the West Coast, they already got the robot hamburger flipper, right? It doesn't need vacations, doesn't take breaks, isn't late, doesn't act up, doesn't talk shitty to the customer, right? And it's cheap. You might pay for it one time, minor maintenance, thing will last forever, right? So that's the kind of things you're going to start seeing more and more of. Our company that I work for is actually going into a major grocery chain, and they're building a racking system to the major grocery chain, and it's going to be all automated that bags groceries, sifts fruit, gets rid of the good shit, bad shit, right, and gets pre-orders ready, and then all you got to do as a customer is come and pick up the bag, and it's all automated, right? So it's going to be becoming more and more common, and you people need to understand that. When the politicians are telling you you're going to get a livable wage, no, it's eventually just your livable wage job that they created is going to be gone, right? But you can see the Bitcoin price, it continues to move up as I thought we were going to move up, right? And you can see the price is now accelerating to the upside. And we got this little trading setup, and if you're an active trader and you want to use my trading setups to make your own trades, right, use my partner link down below, and you can trade this, right? You can see we back tested right here yesterday, or what was it, Friday night, and then we've kicked back up now, and we're trying to breach our old high from the other day. And if we can get above this upper resistance that you're trying to break out of now, you can make a nice run to 24,000, and maybe all the way up to a technical target that we placed on here yesterday. You can see a targeted move. Bitcoin breaks up, right? And that's very much in play as the stock market had a nice pump. The markets are getting a little bullish, thinking that inflation is going to go down next month or when the new numbers come in. I, on the other hand, think inflation is going to stay steady or even go up, right? So I think this bear market rally could be quite powerful, but I think it'll be short-lived, right? Back it absolutely in my title yesterday. I could see you getting up to that 25, maybe even $28,000 major upper resistance where all the sell pressure is back here after that last consolidation right there before the flush, right? That could be a nice spot that you could run up to in a technical target out of this little inverse head and shoulders in the 4 hour time frame is up there at about 24,000, 25,000, maybe a little bit higher. Now 26,069, right? So that's where we're watching for a nice trade setup. And if you want to support the channel, become member of Jabroni Co. We've got a lot of things going to be coming onto there. And if you're an active trader, you're looking for a great exchange with up to a $4,000 deposit bonus based on your deposit, your initial first deposit requirement, either transferring in through coins or a bank account, right? Use my partner link down below to help support the channel. You can see Cardano, it's come up to the 200-day moving average, right, in the 4 hour time frame. It's had a nice pump of 4% this morning. That would be your initial rejection. But if you can consolidate above that, you can make a run to 61 cents, right? Then if you look at XRP, XRP is starting to pump again after it's had this nice consolidation. And our upside target is up there at 42 cents that we made after we told you the 36 cents would be your initial resistance if you can hold the moving averages, and it seems like you're trying to do that. And also XLM is getting ready, I think, to make its next move to the upside. I think you have a date with 14.2 cents as your next move to the upside. As long as you hold them short-term moving averages underneath, you're starting to get constricted on the price, and I think you're about to move up there. Like, subscribe, and share. Peace and love, my beautiful audience.